Hello and greetings to all. We have been receiving a lot of queries relating to our new company named Poonery. All your doubts and questions about what is this company all about, what do you do? Yes, we know you're eager to get your queries answered. Yes, at the right time, we'll be making the announcement on the 7th of November, and that's today perfectly. Our company, what does it involve? It has mainly two purposes. The most important purpose is to bridge the gap between the hearing and deaf community to enable smooth interactions among them. This will involve Indian Sign Language culture, deaf culture, their etiquettes, their viewpoint, and the different accessibility options available to understand it deeply. Along with this, we will also have a dictionary because for some deaf, they don't understand the meaning of sentences. So we have it translated into sign language with examples for each. But this is an advancement that is awaited soon. Before its launch, we will surely notify you. For now, our focus is on ISL culture, which will involve help for you to interact with the deaf, maybe from your family, friends, colleagues, business partners, or any other people. You might want to connect with such people but hesitate because you can't understand them, their culture, their habits. If that's what is pulling you back, or you're afraid you won't be able to communicate well with them, that's where our new company can help you. We'll show you videos which includes in-depth information about the deaf, along with some important and basic words in signs, and also their culture, their views, and other such updates which, when seen by the hearing, will make them aware of the deaf, their ways and their needs. Thus, the hearing and deaf will be able to gel together smoothly. So that's the purpose, to benefit all. So take a look at our website link. Whenever two deaf are conversing, it is a must to have proper lighting. For instance, in a dark area, the deaf face difficulty in understanding as they're not able to see clearly. If it's too dark, the deaf can't communicate. Hence, it is vital to have enough light in the room to be able to see, communicate, and understand clearly. Play a crucial role. And it is widely used by the deaf. Let me give you a few examples to explain this. Related to linguistic English. But when translated into ISL, the structure differs. Let me show you how. In the following clipping, the first part will be an incorrect way of signing, while the second part will be a good method. Lion in action. Now that you've seen the videos, good, isn't it? So learning will really help you all. But remember to share it with all your friends and make our lives happier and better. Thank you.